It costs 25 cents to produce each widget. A widget making machine, which purchased for $37.50. I'm glad I was not standing right there. What is the cost function for X widgets produced? So in general, what is the formula for the cost function? Yeah. So, well, we like to do the variable cost first. So that's the cost per item times the number of items, X, plus the fixed cost, which is good. So remember from chapter 1, variable cost. You might have also seen that as marginal cost times the number produced plus the fixed cost. That's your basic formula for your cost function. The second half of the question is, what is the corresponding domain and range? Assuming that a widget's an item, well, the domain represents the number of widgets you can produce. Can you make negative amounts? Could you make 0 amounts? So anything greater than or equal to 0? And then, assuming we can't make fractional amounts, that'd be your whole numbers again. So you can say, you can write this a bunch of ways. 0, 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, dot.
X such that X is not negative and greater than 0.
Or we could just say X is whole, because that's what that means. Very good. How about the range? So if you made 0 items, what would your cost be? Okay, and you made 1 item, and then 2 items. Yeah. So what's the smallest your range could be? And how big can that get? Infinite. Technically, it's supposed to be, we're supposed to technically have multiples of 25 after 3750. But I think if this question were on Course Compass, that would be acceptable. What does the bracket mean, by the way? Include. And the parentheses? Almost. If this means include, then this means do not include. Yeah. Meaning that we're going to get close to infinity, but we're not going to touch it. So what you were saying is it keeps going on? Yes.
And they would both be brackets if it's only between like $37.50 and say like $40.
Yes.
Would be brackets.
To say, because those are both possible answers.
Okay.
Yeah. Very good. Now, if this problem did not have words to it as far as the x had no meaning and the function had no meaning, then your domain and range would be much different. Much different? Sure, we'll go with that.